Today, I will be walking you through how to use the 19-tab spreadsheet I've created that you can use to formulate, customize, and tweak an author business model that works for you, your books, and your life based on 15 types of author income I've seen and helped dozens of authors earn over the last 30 years. I'm Sharon Woodhouse, and I started an indie book publishing company when I was 25 and ran for over 25 years. Along the way, I also became a publishing project manager, publishing consultant, and author coach, and author cheerleader, and a fierce, enthusiastic advocate for authors, all authors, becoming some brand of authorpreneur. That is, for authors taking an enterprising approach to promoting yourself, your books, your knowledge, your art, your work, your expertise, to increase your income, to increase your joy and satisfaction with your life's work, to take it seriously so that others take it seriously, and to use your book and status as an author as a key and a portal to achieving your other life goals. Okay, here, as you can see, we have our agenda for today's webinar and workshop. Please take the author business model worksheet out of the chat so you can follow along, open it up. I will take a couple questions after introducing each type of author income and how the formulas work on that page, and then I'll also take questions at the end. Before I dive into today's topic, I want to give you some of the highlights from my other symposium webinar, which is on creating a profitable, sustainable author life you love. Because